Here we have a 5-foot by 7-foot green screen, green on one side, blue on the other. This is collapsible, and so I'm going to show you how to collapse this green screen. So keep it vertical, put your left hand on top and your right hand on the right hand side. I use my left foot to hold the green screen in place as I push down with my left hand and pull towards and in with my right, which kind of creates these 3 circles that fold and overlap onto each other. And then you just need to jigger it a little bit to try to get those 3 circles about the same size, and that just makes it easier to put the carrying case over it. And then you just zip it up. So there you have it. That's how you fold up a green screen. I think the 3.5 foot by 5 foot green screen is a little bit more difficult to fold. The 5'7" has a lot more area to work with, so it's a little bit easier. There are a lot of different ways that you can fold these green screens. The way I did it is just one way. It's key that you find the way that works best for you. There are certainly other videos out there that show you how to fold these green screens in different ways. The key thing to remember is that the metal frame is there to help keep the shape of that green screen. So you don't want to do anything while you're folding up the green screen to damage that metal frame. So don't twist the metal, don't try to fold the metal. It very easily, naturally twists and folds in a logical way so that there are those 3 circles that kind of fold onto each other. If you find yourself like bending it in half and really having a hard time with it, don't force it. Take a break and come back to it, because a surefire way to ruin the shape of your green screen is to force the metal to go in a direction it doesn't want to go. Leave a comment or a link to your video on how you fold your green screen. There are many other ways to do it, and I hope others will find, if they don't find my method a good way, they'll find a better way to do it.